Hello, this is math lesson 3-10 for Monday, November 14th. 16th, 2020. If you need to pause the video at any point to answer any questions your student may have or that the video may have, you can do so at any time. Okay, let's get started.
How can you decide if you agree or do not agree with someone's thinking about the way he or she solved a problem? Look at an example. 5 dogs are playing. Some more dogs join. Now 8 dogs are playing. Joe says 3 more dogs joined because 5 plus 3 equals 8. How can you decide if you agree or do not agree with what Joe said? How many dogs are playing at the beginning of the problem? 5 dogs are playing. How many dogs does the problem say joined them? Select your answer.
How many dogs does the problem say join them? Well, it says 5 dogs are playing. Then it says some more dogs join. Now 8 dogs are playing. So 5 is the dogs that are playing. 8 are the dogs that are playing now after some joined. So we don't know.
You don't know. The problem says some dogs joined them. How many dogs are playing now? 8 dogs are playing now. Joe says 3 dogs joined them. Why does he say this? Joe says 3 more dogs joined them because 5 plus 3 equals 8. How can you decide if you agree or do not agree with what Joe said? You can ask questions, look for mistakes in his thinking or explanation, or see if his thinking is clear to you. You can draw a picture. What does the picture show? The picture shows 5 dogs, that some more come, and now there are 8 dogs. What does this picture show? This picture shows 5 dogs plus 3 more dogs. Does the addition equation match the picture? Yes. 5 dogs and 3 more dogs can be described with the equation 5 plus 3 equals 8. So, do you agree with Joe's thinking? Yes, you agree with Joe's thinking.
Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing today in lesson 3-10. Now you need to get out your math book, volume 1, and you need to turn to page 209. That would be 209 in your math workbook, volume 1. And make sure you have a pencil, please. Okay, if you're on page 209, it should look like this. All right, we need to read the directions so that we can decide if we agree or do not agree with what the story problem is asking us. Okay, it says, a pet store has 9 frogs. 5 of the frogs are green and the rest are brown. Lydia adds 5 plus 9 and says that the store has 14 brown frogs. Circle if you agree or do not agree with Lydia's thinking. Use pictures, words, or equations to explain. Okay, so let's start with the very first sentence of the story problem. It says, a pet store has 9 frogs. Okay, so there's 9 frogs. 5 of the frogs are green and the rest are brown. Okay, so I'm going to make F's for frogs because I don't draw frogs very well. So there are 5 green frogs. So if you have colored pencils or crayons, you can use those so you can tell the different colors of frogs. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then it says the rest are brown. Now I don't have a brown, so let's use black, I guess. Okay, so the rest are brown. Now it doesn't say how many, but we have 5 so far, and we know there's 9 total. So this would be 5, and let's count on until we get to 9. There's 5, this would be 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Lydia adds 5 plus 9 and says that the store has 14 brown frogs. Okay, so if we look at the frogs that we drew, it says that the pet store has 9 frogs. Okay, 5 of them are green, the rest are brown. Now, if you look, the black here represents brown. She says that there are 14 brown frogs at this store. Do we agree or do we not agree? Well, as you can see right here, there's only 4 brown frogs. So, we do not agree. So you need to circle do not agree. Okay, so we used pictures here to figure that out. All right. Okay, if you are done with that page, please turn to the next page. At the top is a lady from the video, and she's just showing you the example that they had in the video. And that one they agreed with because 5 plus 3 does equal 8. All right, we have another problem down here at the bottom. Let's read the directions, and then we'll circle agree or not agree after we figure it out. Circle your answer. Use pictures, words, or equations to explain. It says 9 cats chase a ball. Some cats stop to eat. Now there are 4 cats chasing the ball. Stan says 13 cats stop to eat because 9 plus 4 equals 13. Do you agree or not agree with Stan? Okay. So, how many cats do we start with here? It says 9 cats chase the ball. Okay, so 9 cats total. Some stop to eat. Now there are 4 cats chasing the ball. Okay, let's do C's for cats. And there are 9 cats chasing the ball. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I'm going to change colors to green. It says some cats stop to eat. Do we know how many? No, we don't. But it says now there are 4 cats chasing the ball. Okay, so let's circle the 4 cats that are left chasing the ball. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we know these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 cats are still chasing the ball. So this many cats stopped to eat. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stopped to eat. Okay, so Stan says 13 cats stopped to eat because 9 plus 4 equals 13. Do we agree or not agree? Well, as we could see, 4 cats are still chasing the ball, just like the story problem says, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stop to eat because there's only 9 cats total. Okay? So 9 plus 4 equals 13. 13 cats stop to eat. We do not agree. Okay? All right, when you are done with that page, you need to do this whole page, which is only 2 problems, so it will not be that bad. Okay? So do number 2, number 3. Remember, you can use pictures, words, or an equation to explain. So circle agree or not agree whenever you figure out which one you want to pick. Okay, you have to do page 211. When you're done with that, if you need some extra practice, it's not showing up, but you can do page 212. You can also do page 213 and 214. Now, you don't have to do every problem on each page. If you want to just pick a couple from each page and do it, that would be great. Any extra help is always good. When you're done with your workbook pages, please do the quick check on the Savas website. And that is it for today. Thank you.